everyone. This is a tour of my Harris room. This is room 66073, City View. This is the bathroom in the room. Beautiful. It has light on the sides, light on the top, over the tub. Waterfront tower rooms don't have a tub. It's not a jacuzzi tub like the, what's it called, have the waterfront suites, but it's nice. You have a shower, which looks like it was retiled. So is this. This looks all retiled, I think. The bathroom. You got a toilet. Is there a phone in here? No. So, if you like a phone in your AC hotel room, that's not in here. This is actually the second room we got. We checked into the first one, and it was a king bed, so we had to switch, because I was not sleeping with my mother. Not like I can, but I wasn't doing that. This is two beds. Bed 1, bed 2. This goes for, I think, upwards of $173 if you're not a TR member. That's the chair, so you could sit in that. Probably take some nice pictures of the scenery. You have a 55-inch TV, which is instead of a 42 in every other room. It's mounted to the wall. It's beautiful. That portrait. Don't know what it depicts, so I have no idea. You have your desk, this chair, which is quite nice, I'd say, for this kind of room. Crackers my mom wants to eat. A lamp, and look what I noticed. A USB port. This whole room is full of USB ports. There is probably a USB port on this too, which is your like beauty mirror and a beauty chair, so you can sit in that, take a picture, or whatever, good selfie mirror. And if you want an even better selfie mirror, that is a selfie mirror. That is beautiful. You could take a lot of those in there. You can also charge your phone over here in the charging ports, which I think are on each, nope, only on one side, surprisingly. You have the alarm clock, which has LED lights. I've never seen that in any of the 3 properties in AC. Not even the Jubilee rooms have that, because I've stayed in those. I have not stayed in the Forum ones at Caesars, but that's your discretion. If you've stayed there, let me know what you thought. The 2 lights, which are modern. So this room kind of echoes what they're going for now at Harris. I think one down in like Louisiana has the same look. The Valley Tower in Las Vegas has the same look. So it's pretty much all the same. So this is a quick tour of my room. Okay, I'm going to check off, and I'm going downstairs to get some food. Talk to you guys later. Bye.